Super easy lazy bone noodles and very delicious. For this recipe, we will be here cutting 2 tomatoes into cubes. Cut half an onion into cubes. And folks, this recipe is wonderful. This pasta is super easy to make and makes a complete lunch or dinner. We will also cut half a green pepper, 200 grams of ham, and also cut a pepperoni sausage into cubes, like this. Now in a Pyrex dish, I'm going to add 500 grams of pasta. I'm using this type of noodles. But you can use any type, right? I added the tomato, the onion, the chili, the ham, and also the pepperoni. Now let's mix it up really well. And guys, you're already commenting to me from which city you're watching us. I'll send you a super special hug for every one of you who is commenting. Now in another container add 600 ml of water, 600 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 200 grams of sour cream, 2 eggs, and we are going to mix all these ingredients very well. Now to put the seasonings, we will add a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of salt. Seasoning is to taste right. A teaspoon of pepperoni pepper, and also a little parsley. And now it's just a matter of mixing very well. Add our pasta and mix very well. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to a person who is always commenting on our videos. A big hug to Sophia from Baltimore, Maryland. Thank you so much for always being with us. I'm now going to add aluminum foil like this and bake at 352 degrees for 40 minutes. Okay, that time has passed. I'm going to remove the aluminum foil and put slices of mozzarella cheese and also some oregano. Let's take it in an oven at 180 degrees until this cheese is browned. And our pasta was ready, and it was super delicious. You can see that it's super easy to make and it's a complete lunch or dinner. So if you liked it, share it and see you next time. Goodbye.